and welcome among us.
Thank you. Since this is a conference and nobody is yet having a very good time, that we could begin with a short talk of the interactive nature. So a short talk, when it's an interactive one, is a 13-second lecture that has a part by me and a part by you, which comes together to form a short meaning. So in this one, your part actually has two parts. So I have to divide the room in half, which I will do silently. Chorus A, chorus B. So chorus A, chorus B. Chorus A, your line is, "Let's buy it," with an exclamation mark at the end. 1, 2, 3. Let's buy it. Super. Chorus B, your line is, "What a bargain!" exclamation mark at the end. 1, 2, 3. What a bargain! Okay, got your lines? Short talk on the sensation of airplane takeoff. Well, you know, that could be true love running towards my life with its arms up, yelling, "Let's buy it! What a bargain!" Thank you. That is the most fun you're going to have for an hour. Okay,